Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Holly. Today I'm going to be planning in my B6 inserts, which are from Jesenia's Printables shop. And I'm going to be using a kit from a new to me shop, or at least a shop I haven't used a kit from yet, which is Paper Muse Crafts. So I included this in a haul a little while ago. It is a mini kit, so it's a foiled kit. We have the full boxes, bottom washi, functional stuff, and a bunch of half boxes and some headers and stuff. So I thought this would be perfect to use in these inserts because it is a little bit smaller. I am going to use the bottom washi this week. I'll show you how I'm going to do that. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive in. I'll be doing this sped up per usual.
Hey guys, so I am going to go ahead and get started with some date covers, and these date covers are from Simply Watercolor Co. and I'm using transparent date dots from Rose Colored Days. I'm using these like pink brushstroke ones. I just thought they were really pretty, and since this was a mini kit, it didn't have date covers in it, so wanted to bring these in because I wanted to do a fairly kind of white space heavy spread, and when I do that, I do think that date covers look nice, even though the fonts that Jesenia chooses are gorgeous. And the Simply Watercolor Co ones are nice because they're a little bit thinner as well, so they fit in really well to these inserts. So going ahead and getting those down. And then I wanted to get started with my to-dos. I decided I wanted to do them at the bottom, and I only really wanted to have a couple of to-dos down there. So in order to balance the spread a little bit better, I decided to put some of this skinny Simply Gilded washi at the bottom. The skinny bow washi actually fits really well right in that space right underneath, which is perfect. And if you're going to have white space at the bottom, I think it looks nice to have like this strip down there. I don't know if that makes sense. And then I am using the 3-heart gold foil checklist from Rose Colored Days, and I decided to put them a little bit above the bottom and see so that I would have a little bit of space there, almost just to add like one more icon, like a bill do or something as a reminder. And so on Monday, you can see I kind of like fleshed out what I wanted the entire day to look like, and I decided I thought that was pretty good spacing. So now I'm going through and adding the today headers, and I will also go back and do the checklist and the to-do headers. So, like I said, I left a little bit of space there because I thought that just looked a little bit more balanced than doing the like the 3 hearts closed right at the bottom. So I definitely would use this format again because I think it looks kind of, once it's done with when it has the icons there, I think it looks really cute and white spacey, but still actually is functional because then you have space to put a reminder. And I'm not really using, I don't know. It really depends on the week whether I use the to-dos like daily. So I think 3 is about the right amount that I would need because I have all those lists on the next page, you know? So now I am going through with my full boxes, and I decided these looked really unbalanced with the pink and purple being right next to each other. So I intersperse the blue, and on the second half I really wanted to incorporate the bottom washi. So luckily the way she kind of had the quote is that there was some part hanging off that you just saw me rip off, so that I could actually fit the quote, the really pretty gold foil quote there, and use that. And then I decided to do my sidebar next because I don't know, I was jumping all over the place. So I'm bringing in some of the Simply Gilded washi again. I used the habit tracker from the kit, and then there was also one weekly checklist in the kit, and I used that here for my dinners. So I ended up having a little bit of extra space, so she had some pretty foiled washi in this kit as well, so I put that as a background, and just some at the bottom there to fill in the space. And then I'm getting started with an icon from Planning World down there. You can see how I decided to space those. And then my camera totally cut out. So I'm actually just going to like pause the video here and just tell you what happened. So I basically, on Monday, I used a half box to add going for a run that day, and I put a Simply Watercolor Co. little foiled running man at the top. And then I used that coffee date sticker is from a sheet from Hello Petite Paper. You'll see me use that a couple more times in this spread because I had a coffee date with a coworker, so I wanted to put that in. And then on Tuesday, I put a little bow reminder because it was one of the girls that works for me. It was her birthday, so I just wanted to have a little reminder in my planner for that. And then I also put in a half box to mark down going to Elevate. And for that, I used a little character sticker from Paper Princess Plans, one of her little workout girls, which I thought was really cute. So now we are caught up. And I wanted, next time I was going to add in my video, and I decided to use those light purple ones from Clever Gal Crafts this week that were on her, I think it's her Millie colorway. Millie? I think that's right. And then on Wednesday, I had a bunch of meetings that afternoon. Like every other week, I have meetings with the people I manage. So I just put a cute little laptop girl from Paper Princess on top of a half box for that. And then I also wanted to mark down doing some errands before work. So for that, I am taking a little errand script from Rose Colored Days. And then I wanted to shift some things around. So I'm taking that appointment label, I think was to try to work out after work. I didn't end up doing that. Yeah, I took a little whatchamacallit, weight icon from the Planning World sheet, and also have their really cute little coffee cup from the Hello Petite paper sheet to mark down that I was getting lunch with an old coworker that day. Coffee cup isn't really lunch, but those are so cute that I wanted to use as many of them this week as possible, since they have both bunny ears and the colors match this kit perfectly. And then on Thursday, I took a little kettlebell from my collab with Simply Watercolor Co. over a flag from the kit to mark down I wanted to lift weights at the work gym. And then Thursday night, I had my friend's birthday dinner. So I took that little balloon girl from Paper Princess Plans and layered her over a half box to mark down celebrating my friend's birthday. And then that night, I definitely had to pack. So I grabbed a cute little suitcase from Caress Press and put that down at the bottom. And then on Friday, I wanted to try and get some like filming or editing done that morning before I left for our trip. So I took a planner from Hello Petite Paper, and then we had to do the drive all the way to Charlotte, or we have to do the drive. We're about to do it later today. And that is a long drive, but we're going to Charlotte for a wedding weekend. So I took that little car from Planning World. And then the half box is to mark down an event that night for the wedding. There's like a welcome happy hour that we are attending, and I was trying to decide what icon to use for that, but I just used a little heart from the Clever Gal Crafts Clever Gal Crafts sheet, but then I decided that bright pink didn't go that well, so I just used the soft purple. And then onto the weekends, I was very indecisive about what to do with my half boxes, or my full, I'm sneezing, oh God. We'll have to see if I could cut that out. So anyway, I decided to just layer them. I thought it was like a little redundant to have both the bottom washi and then the full boxes, but I couldn't really think of another way to do that. Let me know if you would have done it differently. I decided to skip the to-do list on the weekends, even if I do want to use it like while I'm in the car or something. On the weekend, you have the page opposite right there that has the really long list, so I almost don't feel like you need the short list on the weekend. And so I am marking down Saturday. We're going to explore a bit and like get lunch and stuff, so that's what kind of the flag and quarter box are. And then of course Saturday night is the wedding, so that is the big half box there that I'm using to mark that down. And again, just taking a heart from Clever Gal Crafts to signify that it's for the wedding. And also taking a little really cute little champagne glasses foiled from a Rose Colored Days sheet. And then on Sunday, we have a brunch in the morning that's like before everybody leaves, so we're going to attend that. So I took a little fork and knife foiled from Simply Watercolor Co. And then we have to drive back, so I took another car sticker from Planning World on top of one of those appointment labels from the kit. And then when I get back, I'll probably have like a gazillion things I feel like I need to do. I did put in the Happy Easter foiled sticker from Rose Colored Days, and also a little icon from Planning World to mark down that I had a bill due. And then I'm also taking here a little planning time sticker from the Hello Petite paper sheet, which is so cute. But I'm trying to squeeze in a lot of stuff. Like I had a video that I want to post that day, and then the planning time, so I'm just trying to figure it all out. So it looks a little jumbled, and you can't really see the full box that much, but that's okay. So now I want to move on to decorating the rest of it. I just put some foil over that notes, and I'm just calling it important. I don't know, I can just use that for whatever. I didn't really end up using it this week, to be honest. And then I'm using one of the Paper Princess girls to decorate the Don't Forget kit box because that's kind of the area I use for my errands. So I thought it was cute that she was shopping. And then I'm just taking a bunch of the little like coffees and bow clips and different notes from my Hello Petite paper sheet and kind of decorating with those. And here I'm taking little flag arrows from a sheet from Paper Muse Crafts as well. And it says remember and important just because I thought that was cute. And so now I am sticking them back in the planner and going to go ahead and show you guys the finished view here. I am so happy with how this turned out. I think it is gorgeous and was really happy with the Paper Muse Crafts format. I think the mini kit worked really well for these inserts. So anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.